Alrighty, welcome to Module 3. In this module, our trainer will go over traffic mistakes and pitfalls to avoid. So get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
Social media traffic. Mistakes to avoid. Not posting enough content. Consistency is the key to maintaining a steady flow of traffic, building engagement, and creating a loyal audience. Make sure to post regularly on all your social channels. Consistent, frequent, and relevant posts will maintain audience interaction and brand awareness. The average amount of posts will depend on your strategy, but here are the general guidelines. LinkedIn, 1 post per day. Twitter, 5 to 20 posts per day. Instagram, 1 to 2 posts per day. Facebook, 1 post per day. Pinterest, 5 to 11 pins per day. Lack of calls to action. The ultimate goal of every social media post is to guide users to purchase your product or service. This is why CTAs are integral. Every time you post, attach buttons that say Buy Now, View a Demo, or Subscribe to a newsletter, and more. This is so every post you make generates click-throughs and drives traffic to your site. Posting duplicate content on all networks. Every channel is unique, so creating universal posts won't do. Think about it. Facebook is primarily for sharing moments with friends. LinkedIn is for professionals. Instagram is focused on visuals. Twitter only limits posts up to 140 characters. You get the point. Each channel should have its own strategy, so adjust accordingly. Search engine traffic. Mistakes to avoid. Not having a plan and roadmap. There's no such thing as overnight success. The same goes for being #1 on Google search results. You will need time and effort to slowly build your way to the top. This includes careful preparation and implementing strategies. Take a look at where you are now. Where do you currently rank among competitors? Then create a plan by setting goals and establishing a workflow. Here are some tips to create a perfect SEO plan. Break down actions into tasks and establish short and long-term goals. Choose tools and platforms to help with workflow and strategy. Understand your competition, keywords, content, ranking, and performance. Manage roles and responsibilities regarding site updates, content, SEO advancement, and digital alignment. Not knowing your audience. Sadly, a lot of a business's knowledge about their audience is superficial. But to really know your audience means to understand them on a profound level. This means analyzing consumer behavior, understanding consumer intent, analyzing case studies and real-time data, and using keyword planning. Keyword stuffing. Keyword stuffing is a bad practice of filling your content with relevant keywords to manipulate page rankings. This produces out-of-context words and unnecessary redundancy. Instead of keyword stuffing, do this. Use the right keyword density. Place keywords in the right elements. Assign a primary keyword to each page. Add secondary and long-tail keyword variations. Paid advertising traffic. Mistakes to avoid. Not using location targeting. If you're a local business in Atlanta, for example, you only want to target your ads to display in the Atlanta area. After all, running ads in other cities and states will only be a huge waste of money. If you're an online business and want to target specific countries and areas, you can set up your location targeting settings in the platform you're using. Location targeting is also great for showing a user's location on your ads to grab their attention and increasing engagement. Not taking advantage of ad scripts. Scripts are ready-made lines of code that can interact with data and automate common processes. For example, You can use Google Ad scripts to handle all the tedious tasks like keyword planning, bid management, and ad management. Making use of these scripts allows you to focus more time on other important aspects of the campaign, such as ad strategies. Not using ad schedules. To generate the best conversions, you can set up your ads to display at the best possible times. Google Ads has an ad scheduling option where you can modify your ads to only appear at certain times of the day and even disable them entirely during unproductive hours. Using ad schedules helps you allocate your budget and allows you to use lesser ads while creating more conversions. When you generate traffic, more people will get to see your content, and you'll generate more leads. This will help you build a strong brand reputation, increased revenue, and even establish new business relationships. If you want to achieve all of these, then get a move on.